Guys, welcome to our channel Mystic Tarot World. Today we are going to do a love reading for Taurus. Let's see what's going to happen for Taurus in their love life in the month of August. This is a bonus reading. I have already done one reading for Taurus. I will link that in the description if you haven't seen that. This is a bonus reading for Taurus. So yeah, what's going to happen for Taurus? And remember, this is going to be a general reading. It might not resonate with everyone out there, so just keep that in mind. And yeah, let's see what's going to happen for Taurus in the month of August for the love life. What's going to happen for Taurus in their love life in the month of August? What's going to happen for Taurus? What messages do we have for Taurus? What messages do we have for Taurus for the month of August in regards to their love life? What advice do we have for Taurus? Empress, Eight of Pentacles, Judgment, Queen of Swords, Nine of Wands, the World. So these are your person's feelings, these are your feelings. Let's see. Okay, for Taurus, your person is quite conflicted. They even might be working too hard on their finances, their career, whatever it might be for them. Really working hard onto something to gain something, or maybe really working hard to make things right with you. These are about Pentacles, so quite possible they are working on their finances to make their finances to just sort everything out regards to their finances. They even want to make things quite right with you, waiting for the right time to they just want to invest into this relationship is what I'm seeing here. Quite distressed, quite upset with the whole situation. I'm also seeing they want to they are really striving hard to take some decision. Maybe they are waiting for you to take some decision, or they are going to take some decision. A major decision with this Judgment card is pending on their side, and they are working quite hard, thinking quite hard to make things right, whatsoever it might be, So yeah, they just want to invest into this relationship, but before that, I think you ask them to take a decision. It's also possible this person is in the month of August, your person is going to feel sexually attracted to you. Maybe you're dealing with a Taurus or a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Maybe you yourself are, because this is you, I think you can be feeling a lot confident this month. Quite possible it is also possible that many of you viewers, you might be married, okay, and you are expecting pregnancy, and that is coming right here. Maybe they are working hard for this baby, this coming pregnancy, okay. Maybe your person is working hard because they know you are going to get pregnant, or maybe you are expecting pregnancy. So yeah, I think something is going on where this person is really working hard, they're investing a lot, okay. I'm seeing them quite distressed with the whole situation, striving to make things right, okay. You might even be pregnant, or the person you're dealing with is pregnant, okay. They see a family with you. If you're not married yet, this person sees family with you, and they're quite passionate about you. They're wanting to get to you, touch you, and have things with you, maybe wanting to have a family with you. So they're working hard to get stability in their own life, so that they can ask you for this, they can commit to you, maybe ask you out for marriage. So that is what the whole scene is, okay. Or it's quite possible that this person is dealing with someone, or maybe they are married and they are having baby with this another lady out there. Maybe they are having wife and they are having baby with this woman, and Maybe they have ghosted you in the past because of their his family, and you want them to decide something, that either you want her or me, like that. You've just, I think you're guarding your energies, because either you want this person to take some decision, you want them to come up with a decision, whether they want you or the other person. Yeah, quite possible third party situation is involved, where children are involved, or maybe you might have come to know that they are having, baby with someone else. So yeah, that is the whole scenario what I'm trying to say here. Or if it's not the baby, I think they are attracted to someone else, and you're just waiting here to you want them to take a decision. You're guarding your energies. You're like, I won't take you back until and unless you are done with your shit. You have to decide for yourself. So you're taking your stand. Okay, yeah, I think you want reconciliation, you want to be back with this person, you want things to go right with this person, but still you're guarding your energies because you don't want to take shit. You want clear communication, you want decisions. If this is a third party with this Empress, I think you want this person to decide them or you. You want them back, but on your terms. On your terms means you want them back with, clarity and commitment and surety that you won't go back to the other person. So this might be case for some of you. Okay, that is why I think you're blocking your energies with this Queen of Swords. You're not taking any shit. You're in your power. You're not going to settle down on anything less than you want. You're wanting stability with this person, and in any case you're going to have it. You are very direct and very clear and very upright with what you want. You are very upfront with what you want. You have told them, I want clarity, otherwise it's better you don't return back. And I think they are coming back with some sort of, decision. So yeah, let's clarify some cards. Why is 8 of Pentacles here? 5 of Wands. It's also possible that for many of you, it's the external influence, or maybe someone is coming in the way of your relationship, and they are working, or just fighting very hard for making this right. Okay, so maybe they are fighting with someone to get to you. Quite possible. What is this Queen of Swords about? Yeah, Queen of Pentacles. I think you are okay being alone than being with a cheater, or maybe a manipulator, or being with someone who is already into a relationship, having babies with someone. So you are like, I'm okay alone if you're not going to provide me with what I want. So better come back with clear and just better come up with some decision, or else I'm okay alone. So you are in this protective and in your power. What is this 9 of Wands about? Yeah, the Devil. I think it's very hard for you to let go of this person. It's not easy for you. You might be showing this person that I don't want you, back off, I'm guarding my energies, I'm guarding my heart, I want to stand up for myself, but inside you want to be with this person. You are tied to this person. They have they have tied to you, they have been tied to you, to your soul. You don't want to let go of this person. So yeah, what is coming? I can see you both coming back together. They are coming back with a decision you were long waiting for. And yeah, I'm seeing things going back to normal. I hope everything just falls in place for you all. I don't want to see you crying and sobbing, and I want to see you in power like this, with like this Queen of Swords. Okay, yeah, let's see what advice do we have from the universe. What advice do we have? What you need to do? What you need to do in such situation? What the Taurus needs to do in such situation? Destiny, I think you both are destined to meet. So you don't need to worry much. This is a clear message that they are destined to be with you, and you are destined to be with them. This is destined to happen like this. With this World card, I'm definitely seeing you even might be in a long distance relationship with this person. Okay, and yeah, I think they are in your destiny and you need not worry about anything. What more message do we have for Taurus? What message do we have for Taurus? What message do we have for Taurus for the month of August? Wisdom. I think you have that wisdom, you have that instincts within you. Your gut knows, your heart knows what is right. You have grown, like you have outgrown. You are not the same person anymore. You won't take any shit. You will stand up for yourself when it's necessary. And I think you are enlightened. You have become the real you. And that is more beautiful. Like, it's more like you are radiating this newfound light. You are enlightening. You are growing. You are spiritually awakening. Let's see what advice do we have from my handwritten messages. What messages do we have? What advice do we have for Taurus for the month of August? What advice do we have for Taurus? Okay, strong. I think you need to be strong. The situations are, out of your league, out of your hands. Just leave it on the universe and be strong. Do not let anything pull you down. Your soulmates, maybe you're dealing with your soulmate. Okay, quite possible this is your soulmate. So yeah, remember that. Next is faithful. I think the person you're dealing with is faithful. They are not, their intentions are quite pure. They will come up with pure, full and final decision. You just need to be patient with this person. Maybe they are, dealing with a job change. Maybe they decided to change job, or maybe coming to your city close to you, So quite possible. Just be adjusting to them. KNRTV by EG. These may be initials of this person's name and age difference. You might be, elder to them or maybe younger to them. Quite possible. Okay. So yeah, this was it for Taurus. I hope you liked this reading. If you did, please hit the like button. And yes, see you in next video.